Welcome back. I'm so glad to have you. Today I have a bit of an interesting project. So it's a shoe, right? I know. And the zipper here has come apart. And so even though you can lace them up, there was no way to keep this together. And this is the slide hanging loose. So this is a common problem that might even happen with like a jean zipper where the slide comes off. And how do we fix that? So I wanted to give you a little tip. Again, this is one of those kind of hacks that I'm not necessarily going to say it's the right way to do it, meaning the right way, the truly right way would be to put a new zipper in. But certainly with a shoe, I don't have machines that are capable of that. You really need a machine that has like a free arm, or like a full free arm. If you've ever seen them in like a shoemaker shop, that's the kind of machine that you would need to actually put a new zipper in. So I'll show you my little hack. It does work in terms of just being able to continue to wear them. And I always forget, but be sure to like and subscribe because it does help. And comment if you have any questions, anything you'd like to see more of. Definitely, I gauge my videos kind of based on what I have available, the projects that I'm working on, things that clients have brought in, or my own projects. But I definitely, if you have something specific that you're looking for, will do my best to try and find that project and see if I can get it on the air. So here is the shoe, and I actually had tested this out before I started the video, so it's slightly cut. But this is the side of the zipper that it came off of. So I took a pair of scissors and just snipped across that. So this coil was slightly broken, and that's actually how the slide came off this side. And the coil is pulling away from the zipper tape. And so what you do is, like, this is the piece from the bottom. That one's going to hang loose. I'm going to fix it in a minute. But you're trying to slide it on the side of the zipper. So where I made the cut is where we were able to slide the zipper pull on. And now trying to bring it up. Okay, there we go. So the zipper is compromised from right about here down. And I'm just going to take I have some nylon bonded thread. This is thread that I typically use for like slip covers. And I'm just going to actually stitch part of the zipper up. So I want that knot to kind of go down on the underside. So I'm going to dig down from the bottom and just bring it up. And I'm just going to go from side to side. So I'm trying to get my thread or my needle to catch in the coils like this. So that I'm pulling it together. And so the thread, I think I said in the coils, that is not what I meant. I'm trying to catch in the zipper tape. So we're pulling it across. And across like that. So that should, yes. So this is going to stop the zipper from going down any further. Afterwards, I may actually go ahead and put some clear glue there as well. Some glue that I have in stock for fabric. And now I just want to tie this off. So I'm going to snip one edge of that so I have a little bit loose and point it down through. And then just pull up and create a knot from the inside. There we go. So the glue that I have, I wouldn't even totally call it glue. It's just a little fray checker, but it does work. It is like a glue. It's not a very mild glue, but it's just fray check. And I'm just going to put some drops on that. And it will create a little bit of stoppage, which is what I want. And it'll make sure the zipper doesn't fray anymore around the zipper tape. And then it's good to go. So this is just fray tape. Fray. I am stumbling over words. Fray. It's just stops fraying on fabric. Fray check. So that's all I used for that. And then it's fixed, you know, totally usable again.
Thank you for watching. You can shop tutorials and classes on my website, naomifeda.net. Be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, may God sow his love into your heart today.